I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. After breakfast, I get dressed for school. I leave the house at 8 a.m. I commute to school by bus. Not only that, but I arrive at school at 9 a.m. I start my school day by checking assignments. I have lunch at 12 p.m. After lunch, I continue studying. I finish school at 3 p.m. I commute back home. Likewise, I arrive home at 4 p.m. I relax for a bit before starting dinner. I cook dinner at 6 p.m. After dinner, I do the dishes. I spend some time watching TV or reading. I prepare my clothes and bag for the next day. Furthermore, I brush my teeth before going to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I turn off the lights and close my eyes to thank God. Likewise, I fell asleep shortly after. On weekends, I usually sleep in. I have a late breakfast on Saturdays and Sundays. I do household chores like laundry and cleaning. Furthermore, I go grocery shopping on Sundays. I spend time with family and friends. I might go for a walk or do some exercise. In the evening, I unwind by listening to music or reading a book.